Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to change phone number on eBay on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing you have to do is, please open Chrome browser on your device. After that, here you can click ebay.com in the search field. And then click three line in the top right corner. And activate the stop site. Well, and then here you can type sign in. And then use your Google account or your username. Well, and then here you can click the down arrow next to your account. And then you can select account settings. Well, after that, here please click personal information. Well, and then in the phone number section, you can click edit here. And then you can change it as you need. Okay, and then click save. Well, and then verify the phone number. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change phone number on eBay on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.